So this was my first video that I uploaded on YouTube on October 7th, 2020. And after that, I kept uploading videos on YouTube regularly, but the channel just was not getting monetized. One video got me 100,000 subscribers, and from this single video, I earned 3 lakh rupees. Let me refresh and show you the complete live analytics so you can see for yourself. So why am I not doing anything else in any other field? Why do these videos get 0 views? First of all, you need to know about a YouTube update. In the studio, I will show you how to make unlimited AI videos. People, bro, will be sleeping at night and making unlimited. You will make videos, and inside the source library, you will see a remix option here. Only these videos will be monetized, or maybe they won't be. Otherwise, we are just working hard for nothing. So make sure you listen to this part carefully. There is Testbook and even more YouTube channels that I manage, on which I have been working in the position of YouTube head for the past 2 years. Apart from that, I have worked for 5 years with a company like Ada247. Friends, the fact that you clicked on this video means you are completely fed up with YouTube and will probably quit YouTube very soon. Or maybe you have already quit. Friends, watch this video carefully because in it I am going to share 5 such tips with you. With these tips, you can increase the views on your YouTube videos. This YouTube video has received 7.4 million views, but when I first uploaded it, look at how many views it had in the first 24 hours. You can see that here. You will learn a lot from this. There were only 239 views and just 5 subscribers increased. But now, look at the number of views on this YouTube video. One video helped me gain 100,000 subscribers and earn 300,000 rupees. Let me refresh and show you that this is our live analytics, which you can see here. So friends, today I will share 5 tips with you that can help you grow your YouTube channel, and these are the most useful tips right now. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification first. These days, the biggest struggle people face is getting 0 views on their videos. The main reason for this is, why do you get 0 views? First, let me explain why YouTube isn't doing anything for you in the source feed. Look at this short video here. It has received 6 million views, and here this one. Look at the YouTube channel's shorts here. See, 19th May, 20th May, 20th May, 23rd May, 23rd May, 23rd May. They are continuously uploading shorts on YouTube, but they are getting 0 views. So why are they getting 0 views? First of all, you should know about a YouTube update related to shorts that YouTube released. Brother, on 31st March 2025, last year YouTube released an update, and what was that update? Now, if your short video is shown even once to anyone in the shorts feed, it will be counted as a view. Earlier, what used to happen was that for 3 seconds, if someone watched your YouTube video for 3 seconds, you would get a view. But now, if your video appears even once in the shorts feed, even if it just shows up in front of someone, you will still get a view. So what this means is that if your video is showing 0 views, it means YouTube is not pushing it at all. YouTube is not sending it to the shorts feed. There could be 4 or 5 reasons why YouTube is not pushing your video. What could be the biggest problem? Did you upload videos to your YouTube channel and then start deleting them? And this is where the biggest problem starts. As soon as you upload a YouTube video and then delete it, YouTube's algorithm starts to doubt you and it can't build trust in your channel. So you should completely stop deleting your YouTube videos. Don't delete them. If you really need to remove a video, set it to unlisted or private, but never delete it. Don't make this mistake. The second mistake people make is not deciding on a niche. Sometimes you upload one type of YouTube short and other times something completely different. You just copy-paste content. If someone else has uploaded something, you upload the exact same thing. If you keep doing this repeatedly, the algorithm becomes your enemy and stops pushing your content. The third thing is that you don't work on your hook. Look, any short video that goes viral, if you notice, the very first second, the very first frame is such that it makes the viewer stop and watch the video. So from today, you shouldn't just check your views. When you look at your source analytics, you'll see there, you will be shown a ratio of views to swipe aways. How many people watched and how many swiped away from the video. Your minimum target today should be that at least 50% of people watch your YouTube shorts and less than 50% skip it. After that, if you want to give your short video a little push, as soon as you upload your short video, start sharing it on your community post. People often take community posts lightly, but today I'll give you an example from what I've learned over the years. Whenever you make a community post, whoever sees it, let's say you see my community post, and even if you just like it once, or if you read the text I've written even once, then the next time I upload a short video or a long video, you'll be the first to receive that video. And whatever videos you make, you need to make them a bit more original. Just see for yourself. If your video is getting 0 views, then understand that YouTube has analyzed your video. There's a lot of AI in YouTube now. And after analyzing, it has found that the video isn't good enough to show to others. Even if you're making really good videos and YouTube is still giving you 0 views, it means there's an issue with the email ID you're using. You should create a new email ID and start your channel on that. Now, friends, the second way to increase views on YouTube that YouTube has now given you is You used to have to spend money for this, but now it's been given for free. And in today's studio, I'll show you how to make unlimited AI videos. So watch the video till the end so you can learn about this. In the source, you'll see a remix option here. When you click on this remix option, you'll see a button here. The Reimagine button won't appear in every short video, but it will show up in some, and you just have to enter your text directly. See, from that very video, a new video has been generated. If you enter different prompts here, you'll be able to create different videos. So what an amazing update this is. Whatever short videos you have, or even if it's someone else's short video, wherever it's eligible, you'll see this remix button. When you click on remix, after clicking, a reimagine option will appear. Here, you just need to enter your prompt. You can even upload your own photo there, and you'll appear inside that video. You'll be inside the original video, and whatever you write, you'll be doing that inside the video. And you can do this wherever the remix option is available. You can directly create a video on YouTube. And this is a fantastic update, especially for those creators who are unsure about what to do next. So just click on remix, then click on reimagine and start making your own video. The third thing is AI disclosure. People are really afraid of making AI videos. Friends, I've seen a lot of comments where people say, Ankit Bhaiya, whenever we make these videos, we always have this doubt about whether AI videos will be monetized. Only then will we know if we're working hard for nothing. So now YouTube has come up with a solution for this. You see, YouTube has released an update. For any of your long videos or short videos, the AI disclosure appears whether or not you've used AI in your video. What some people used to do is select the wrong option there, or some people wouldn't use AI at all, but would still mark it. So now what YouTube has done is, if you use our tools to make your video, we'll automatically add the disclosure wherever it's needed. So you don't need to worry too much about it. Now, what will happen with the AI disclosure? If you're watching any short video, you'll see AI written in the corner. If you're watching a long video, AI will be displayed outside, so viewers will know that the video is AI generated. Along with this, many people were saying, bro, we make our videos using 11 Labs, and there we can select no or yes. So now I'm going to tell you about another update. Partnering across the industry, friends, Google has a tool, a very old tool called SynthID. And now they've tied up with OpenAI and 11 Labs. Now, for all those people who say, bro, we made an image with ChatGPT and we're using it without disclosing it, or if you've used audio from 11 Labs and you're not disclosing it, you don't even need to disclose it anymore. YouTube itself will analyze and determine whether something was made with 11 Labs or if you created it using ChatGPT. Wherever it's necessary, wherever YouTube feels that a video is AI generated and it should be disclosed, it will automatically disclose it itself. So now you don't need to worry much. Use AI, use it in a good way. There's no problem at all. This is a creative thing, bro. With AI, you can enhance your creativity. Now, friends, let's talk about unlimited AI videos. YouTube keeps bringing amazing things for you, and there's an app from YouTube itself that's available in India, YouTube Create. For those who are outside of India, if you want to try using a VPN or something similar, you can do that. And in the YouTube Create app, YouTube has said that you can make AI videos all night long for free, unlimited. There's no limit at all. Here, take a look. This is the interface of the YouTube Create app. And here it says, enjoy unlimited generation from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m., meaning at night. From 12 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock a.m., you can create unlimited AI videos using the YouTube Create app. There's absolutely no limit to this, so definitely check it out. Make your videos between 12 o'clock and 9 o'clock, and by using the YouTube Create app, you can make an entire video from start to finish. Now think about it, our last point is going to be a bit motivational. Here, we'll talk about what your target should be, what your mindset should be. If you've watched the video up to this point, make sure you listen to this part. You're really going to like this. Look, I've written here 10% improvement. What does this mean? It means that whenever you upload your YouTube video, you need to improve something in it. So your next video should be 10% better than your previous one, and the one after that should be 10% better than the last. What can you do to make things better? If you make short videos, you can improve your hook. If you make long videos, you can work on your thumbnail. And of course, the hook is important everywhere. If you're making short videos, then brother, the very first second at the start, whether you fall down while making the video or pick up something in your hand and then put it down, just doing these little things makes people stop and watch your video. After that, for your long videos, you need to pay attention to the first 30 seconds. In those first 30 seconds, you should show what's going to happen in your video, what your title is, what your thumbnail is, and your intro should match both of those. If people listen to the first 30 seconds of your video, then brother, they'll stick around. After that, people will watch your video, so you need to focus on those first 30 seconds. You have to improve every video by 7 to 10%. Don't try to become Mr. Bisht with your very first video. Just start improving from your first video. Like today, I made my first video. Let's make a little improvement. In the second video, let's make the script a bit better. In the third video, let's make the thumbnail even better. If you're not getting any impressions at all, then brother, you should work on your titles. You need to make your titles a bit better. If you're not getting clicks, if your CTR isn't good, then you should change your thumbnail. If your video views are still very low, then you should change your topic. Brother, try a different topic. What can I say? Maybe people just aren't interested in that topic. And friends, let me tell you one thing. YouTube is a marathon. It's not a sprint where you run a 100-meter race and your work is done. This is a marathon. You can see for yourself, I've been at it since 2020, and even now I'm teaching you all about YouTube. So just think about how much I must have learned in this time, how many videos I've uploaded to YouTube. So you see, this really is a marathon. If you keep going, keep moving forward, you will definitely find success. Gradually, YouTube checks everything. Those who are consistent, YouTube definitely gives them impressions. It definitely gives them reach. Whatever topics perform well for you, make more videos on those. For example, whatever topics we have, like the last video we made on a similar topic, it also got really good views. Along with learning all these things, you'll also need to learn how to use the YouTube Studio app on your mobile, where we check YouTube analytics. You probably just check views and subscribers there, but that app is actually so useful that you can grow your YouTube channel with it. You can find topics to make videos on, figure out which ones you should create, what time you should upload your YouTube videos, and how to score well. YouTube has provided everything inside that app. I have made a detailed free video about that app. Click here to watch that video and understand how you should use the YouTube Studio app. See you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to like it. See you in the next video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.